Hi everyone, my name is Quang and this is my baby Quangman. Quangman, say hi to everyone. Where's your hands? Okay. What is this finger?
It's daddy.
Daddy finger? And what is this finger?
It's mommy finger.
Mommy finger, yes. And what is this finger?
It's brother finger.
Oh, brother finger. And what's this finger?
Sister finger.
Oh, and what is this finger?
Baby finger.
Okay, so can you sing the finger song? Let's start. Louder. Here I am, how do you do? Darling. Here I am, how do you do?
Brother finger, what are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Sister finger, what are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Baby finger, what are you?
Here I am, how do you do? Oh, yes, good. Okay, can you answer some questions? What's your name?
My name is Quang. Airplane.
No, let's make an airplane for my baby.
Huh?
Oh, what's that?
Huh?
What are you playing with? Mon? Oh, it's an airplane. Do you like the airplane?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Do you want Daddy to make an airplane for you? Hi, what's that?
It's just paper.
Oh, it's paper. Yes. So, do you want Daddy to make a paper airplane?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Can you make an airplane? Oh, good. Keep on going. Oh, good. And then, yes. And then,
Airplane.
no, let's Daddy help you. The other side. Yes. To this one. No, turn over. Turn it over. This one. The other side. Oh yes, Daddy and baby have just made an airplane. So now we can play with this airplane, this new one. Wow, very nice. Do you? What's that?
Airplane.
Do you like the paper airplane? Oh.
Like the
What have you just asked me? Must say hi to everyone. Now, can you sing a song? Let's sing the song.
Twinkles, twinkles, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above, so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Oh, good, bravo. Let's give Mon an applause.